Dearly beloved, I am gathered here today to show you what sugar can do for you, Mixbus edition.
Process.audio.
For the sake of expediency and ease of use, I have imported a bunch of mixes into my session. So you can consider this the Mixbus/mastering edition of Let me show you what sugar can do for you. Let's start here with Old Baby, a pure mix classic.
Okay, I wanna try you on. Our looks are louder than the sounds of our hearts are beating. Looks.
So it sounds great, but obviously we're lacking a little bit of the pillow of the bass drum, quite a little bit more than a little bit. So I say a bit or a lot. And then also, I think once we get that done, maybe the connection between that bass drum and then the rest of the track is a little weak. Let's fix that by putting some sugar on it. So check this out.
Okay, I wanna try you on. Our looks are louder.
That's the trick. At the beginning, you can really hear.
Okay,
See that? So let's listen to Punch too. Thick. Punch. It's got a little more of that low end transient. When you add a lot of bottom to a track, the first thing that goes away is the punch. And so what sugar does, and it adds a little bit of transient so that you don't lose that. It's not like a transient designer on the bottom. If you want to do that, do that. This is a way to add bottom without losing the transient. And sometimes it needs it, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, it works great. Let's listen to the medium band.
okay, I wanna try you on.
Obviously, adding all that bottom, there's some flab at the very, very bottom. So I'm going to get rid of the flab.
I wanna try you on. Our looks are louder than the sounds of our hearts are beating.
This really works very well. I think that she needs some high end, like some air. The 10K range is cool, but above that is a little weak.
I wanna try you on. Our looks are louder than the sound.
So without.
I wanna try you on.
With.
I wanna try you on.
Yeah, the thing again without.
I wanna try you on. I wanna try you on.
Let's check the yang because you always have to check the yang.
I wanna try you on.
Yang.
I wanna try you on.
In this case, yang works better. So I like this. Let's go to the chorus.
Oh baby, oh baby, oh, oh, oh. I can feel it when you walk. I can feel it when you talk. I can feel it when you walk. I can feel it when you talk. I can feel it, oh.
This track really benefits from sugar. Of course, I'm sweetening an existing track, mastering style, but you could mix into sugar, which I do these days. So you have a basic setting. You could use a smiley curve, like a 50 and 50 on the low end and the high end, and then you can add air later, depending on if you're able to generate it from your independent tracks or if you need help from sugar to generate it. It's also cool to turn the drive on and to mix into the drive to give it more of a saturation vibe to it, so it's not as clean and digital DAW sounding. You can add a little bit of dirt. I just did that on a track last week where I just ran the whole mix through just sugar for just the drive, and it just rocked. Let's listen to a different vibe. Check out this Wifely track.
The wrong path home. We're finally together
Obviously that sounds great, but I'd like more air, literally. And then also I'd like to try and connect the bass drum to the snare drum more, just to see if it would sound better and be more fun to listen to. Now the problem is, if you listen to the way this track is right now, the pillow on the guitars is awesome. Check it out.
The wrong path home. We're finally to.
Essentially, the guitars go lower than the bass drum, which may prove to be a little bit of a problem. We might solve it though, you never know. So let's listen to the air thing first.
The wrong path home. We're finally together. The wrong path. The wrong path.
It's better in yang.
The wrong path home.
Hear that th
The wrong path home.
without.
The wrong path home. The wrong path home.
I like that, subtle but useful. Now let's try and get that bass drum thing going.
The wrong path home. We're finally together. No longer free.
So I love warm, but it's too much for the guitar. Check it out.
The wrong path home. We're finally.
See, it gets muddy, but the bass drum's right. So let's switch to MS mode. And I could switch to MS mode this way and start over, or I could use this finger and hold Command, switch to MS, and then Sugar is going to copy my stereo settings to my MS settings, and then I'm going to just keep the warm in the middle and lower it on the sides.
The wrong path home. We're finally together.
Without.
The wrong path home. We're finally.
With.
The wrong path home. We're finally together.
That works. And now that we are separate from the middle and the sides, I can just make the bass drum fatter in the middle.
The wrong path home. We're finally together. No longer.
We started here.
The wrong path home.
With.
The wrong path home.
Let's clean up the super bottom.
The wrong path home. We're finally together. No longer free. You come in uninvited.
And then, as I said a minute ago, why not drive the whole mix, since it's very much style appropriate, like about here.
The wrong path home. We're finally together. No longer free. You come in uninvited.
Let me help you listen to that. Listen to the shape of the bass drum and the shape of the snare, without and with the drive, and also the relationship between the two of them. I think you can actually handle a little more. You can just double click on any value and type the number you want. I type 25, we start off.
The wrong path home. We're finally together. No longer free. You come in uninvited.
So the drive helps it get fatter and more together by shaving some of those transients and saturating them a little bit. So as a reminder, we started here.
The wrong path home. We're finally together.
And now we're here.
The wrong path home. We're finally
nice. Speaking of MS, let me show you how you can use sugar to rebalance a track should you need to, want to, desire to, or feel so inclined. Here I have a Sierra Leone mix.
This morning I woke up with a bird in my head. It was singing this sweet little song
By the amazing Schmidt. Let's go to a place where there's lots of stuff going on, like a pickup plus the snare plus everything.
Every good night kiss we've ever shared. So I don't want another day without you. You know I'll get my way. I just want another chance.
Switch to MS mode and I listen to effects only, just so you can see what you can do. And listen to the size, check it out. This is just the low end. I like that. Then if we listen to no vocals, just the size, so that's great. Let's listen to the shine. The excite may be too aggressive, so let's just keep it on shine. And then yin yang. So if we listen to all four band, and with the track,
Every good night kiss we've ever shared. So I don't want another day without you. You know I'll get my.
we started here.
Every good night kiss we've ever shared. Every good night kiss we've ever shared.
And now to bridge the difference, I think a little bit of the medium with her voice in it, I understand that will help, and also the low will help too. Check it out.
Every good night kiss we've ever shared. So I don't want another day without you. You know I'll get my way. I just want another chance.
A little bit of the high too, and that should do the trick.
I don't want another day without you. You know I'll get my way. I just want another chance.
Started here.
I don't want another day without you. You know I'll get my way.
With
I don't want another day without you. You know I'll get my way. I just want another chance to show to you that I can make you dance.
it works. And this, my friends, is what sugar can do for you in stereo situations. Mix bus, sub buses, mastering, mixing into it, whatever you like. Do try this at home. Et voilà.
Process.audio.